Man, this is going to be awesome.
Tell us what you're doing.
Hold on. Oh. All right. One. And he said this knife was sharp.
Just pull it up. Just pull it up. Just pull it up.
Yeah, Steven, you don't want to cut into your suit there.
No, pull it up.
There you go.
I got it. I got it.
You sure?
Yep.
Okay.
Gotta remove that.
Back, you're gonna get cut.
How much tape is there? I mean, I understand shipping and all that, but hey, buddy. I understand the shipping and all that, but can I help you? Oh, I see my my name there.
Okay, Steven, you need
You want a
scissors.
sharper knife, Steven?
All right. Just 2 more cuts and I love you right now. I love you, but one final cut. And it's in. We're in. Scratch that. One more cut. Oh my God. Where do we even begin?
Take out the top.
I am. It's actually quite heavy. In fact, okay, I guess I'm starting with the wings.
What does a blinking red light mean? Anything?
Blinking red light? That means it's recording,
Oh, okay.
I think.
I didn't want you to run out of battery.
All I know about recording is that if there's a red light blinking, then that means it's recording. Man. Alright, there we go. Now, they said that these were adjustable, so...
Gently, gently.
I am. I'm being gentle. Alright, there we go. Alright. Those are just some beautiful wings. Alright, and now the part that I've been finally been waiting for. This actually has some heft to it. I mean, goodness. Oh my. Okay. Okay, okay, so, okay, no, that's the leg. Oh no, here it is.
Oh, it zips in front. That's cool.
Yeah. Wait, am I doing this right? Is there a... Oh, yeah, there is. I see where I am. Go... No? I think there's like a... inner... Wait. Yeah, there we go. Is this a... Oh my God, there's an inner pocket.
Cool. Put your stuff in there. Keep it safe.
Uh,
Uh-oh. Watch your head on the fan, Stephen.
I know.
Okay. Is it gonna fit?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
They're accurate on measurements.
All right.
Yeah.
Your hands.
I got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. All right.
I love it. Your husky shirt shows through.
Okay, so.
Oh, it's tight, honey.
It's
Hold
tight.
this.
Natzel?
Hold this.
No, it's snug, son.
It's snuggy.
Oh. And then some.
No. Get the fur caught in it. Hang on. It's not gonna go on.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
You better not gain one more ounce.
I'll give you incentive to lose some weight.
No shit.
No
Oh, it's open in the back. What's this on the back, Steve? What do you got here? Oh, this is cut out in the back. Is that where something goes there, the tail or something? It's all open there.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's,
For the tail or something?
oh, shoot. I forgot about it.
Okay, that's okay for right now. Just look over here. Walk
shit.
to the side.
Yeah, I know.
Damn.
This
Check this out.
is awesome.
Okay, let me get this out of here. Hold on. Everybody. Hold on. What's that thing on his head up above?
It's a halo.
Oh,
Oh, that's pretty good, actually. I mean, I was expecting like it to be cramped in the legs, but
No, it's the tummy and your chest that's going to have to.
I know I gotta work out. Anyway,
Do a turn.
I don't have all my stuff on.
It's okay. I want to see, no, turn all the way around. I want to see the white butt. It looks so cute. Okay.
But don't worry, when I get the tail on, it'll look normal.
And the wings and stuff. Okay. Stop recording for now.